Welcome back to Tech After Dark. In this video, I'll be unboxing the Apple AirTag, or tags, because there's 4 of them, and they're all custom engraved. So this is the 4-pack, AirTag 4-pack. So I'll be unboxing that tonight on Tech After Dark. Use the 2X. So let's unbox it here. You'll see there's a little green arrow right there on the box. So we'll have to remove it with one fell swoop. Take your index fingers, just peel it there. And I'm just gonna put it up to the mic here. Just like that. Put that over here. Oh, I don't know what the next step is, because that is actually, things are usually more simple. Oh, yeah, it's quite simple. After you peel that little tag off, you'll see it actually cause a little strip on the bottom there. So you can peel it off so it reveals this flap. So let's just pop that. There's a little holder, we can bring that out. Okay. So put that off to the side there. They're just talking about warranties and such. Terms and conditions and stuff like that. Just don't throw it in a fire or anything. Put that aside. Oh, some more. Safety and handling. So the piece de resistance, the AirTag. So let's open that up. Okay, anticipation. Okay, the first 2. Ooh, it's actually quite small. And the next 2, or 4 in total. Let's take a look at that. So it's just telling you to upgrade and hold near the device 2 inches away. Doesn't sound like a lot, but you know, it does the job. So right here, just like that. We've got the first one here, and this is a custom engraving of a little robot. That's pretty fun. So let's just get a close-up shot, and yeah, maybe I'll just use the one here. We could actually use, maybe I'll take out this one. Oh, this is the dog one. I'll also be doing a review on these later, and we're going to be testing out the dog AirTag on a puppy, just to see how it works and if you can find your puppy in the midst of a, well, if they get lost. Let's just put this one back here. Let's close these up. We've got the 2 here, and they are very wrapped. They're a little hefty. They're actually quite weighted nicely. They're about this thin, or you know, this thin. Since we're a tech channel, I'll open up the robot one first. Put that off to the side. See and hear how this sounds. So let's just zoom in here. This. So you just heard a little sound there. So it's activated. And yeah, it's quite the little tiny thing. Very small. And they did a really nice job of the engraving. And very shiny. Definitely won't be as shiny in the near future. You can kind of see your face in it as well. What a tiny little durable thing. And this is also IPX68 water resistant as well. So you can drop it into a pool of water. Make sure you pick it up within 30 minutes. Wow, they're quite small. They're not as skinny as you'd think, but even the new iMac is actually a bit thinner than this little thing. It's actually still quite small. If you really wanted to, you can actually twist it. It pops out the battery. So this is all user replaceable. Very easy to pop off. It uses a CR2032 watch battery. So just like that. And very easy, you just pop it out like that. So all this right there in one. And funny enough, you can actually drill a hole just in the bottom section here if you really didn't want to have a little case for it. I ordered a really cheap case off of Amazon, the ESR AirTag case. So that should be arriving and I can start testing it properly and give you a little tour of what it feels like and what an Apple AirTag entails. Very small. Yeah, even without the little almost like steel enclosure, it's very thin. Let's just try to put this one back here, just like that. Gives a little sound when you take off the battery. And we can just put this back. Just like that. So you put it in, twist it to the right, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. So keep it tight. It's always important. That's pretty much what it entails in the box here. I'll go forth and review these bad puppies. So in the box for the 4-piece, you get the full meal deal with a load of instructions, and you obviously get the 4 here, but we'll test out the puppy AirTag later and put that in review. So that's kind of what it includes in the box here. And yeah, these cost about $30 USD or about $40 each Canadian. But if you do buy the 4-pack, it's way cheaper. I'll put the price up here for the 4-pack. Yeah, you can maybe go try them out. It's really nice because the AirTags have all this network to them. So you can really start finding your lost stuff, and you can maybe put one of these AirTags on everything. So this 4-pack, you can have them for the keys, the dog, and maybe the wife, and maybe your bike. And so this is my wallet here. It's a nice little wallet. I'm gonna try to see if it fits, and maybe if I have to remove some cards or something. But you know, it's yay big, right? So maybe I can fit it in this little pocket here. So let's just put it in there. It like just, well, you know, maybe if I took out some money. It actually does fit. There is obviously a little bulk to it, and maybe it would be best if you took out some more stuff, and maybe if it was just on its lonesome, and maybe Apple might release like an Apple card or something. Not an Apple card, but like maybe a AirTag that's wallet sized. But it is still a pretty big, so maybe it might be worth just getting a loop for it or something. Just take the money out as well. Let's just see how it looks kind of. So we just took out everything there, and it's definitely better. It still kind of bumps up. It's still very small. They are kind of made so you can have to buy the accessories. Just keep a note. Still very small. Engraving's pretty cool. Pretty neat little thing. It almost fits within the credit card slot, but not enough space. Maybe I could just try putting it in here for now, and maybe that might be better. Just like that. That's not bad actually. You'll be able to find your wallet pretty easily with this. I still have to pair it and everything, but that'll be all in the review, and I can kind of start using this thing more in the day of life or in the real world. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.